Like he's slowpoke.
This is our bird Mango. He's a parakeet.
Yeah, he can climb.
It's time for us to change the water out and change his...
Flush.
Yeah, flush his water. We flush his water because he poops in his water.
I can always do that.
Let me. What you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, huh? What are you talking about?
I think he want to get out.
Yeah, he wants some food. Let me go get his bucket. Look, Mango wants this so bad.
Me too. I want some. You feed the bird?
Go over there. Here.
Thank you. Hey, pretty.
He'll come down here. Well, yeah, I guess. Come right here and do it. You might have to put it down lower, Waleek. Here, just do it. Oops. Just do it like this. Here, Mango.
Here, Mango.
Come on. There you go.
Mango. Over here.
Is it good, Mango? Is it delicious?
He's trying to catch the food.
I'm gonna be changing this water out while
Wow.
Go back over there, Mango, and eat so I can change your water. Now you're gonna take Mango's poop and put it in the toilet. That's Mango's poop in his water.
We need to flush it.
Yeah, we're gonna pour it in the toilet and flush it down. Go ahead and flush it. Let's sit down. And wipe it out.
I got him. I got it, kiss mommy.
Sorry for her schedule back. That's just science. Alright, just some fresh water back in the cage.
And I'm pooping again. Bear, come and eat it. Bruce it. Come here, baby birdie. Come here.
Okay, I'm gonna do it first and I'll let you do it, okay?
Okay.
Here, Mango, you want a shower? Want a shower? Okay, your turn.
Mango, want a shower? Yes.
Good job. Think that's enough. Good job.
Thank you. It's all day, Mommy.
He's all clean?
Yes, Mom.
All right. Well, I'll finish taking care of Mango for now. I need to clean out his tray soon. I might go ahead and do that.
I don't go in a mess.
I know. We're going to throw that away. And put a new one down. Then I just gotta take a handheld vacuum and clean up this mess. And that's that. That's how we take care of our bird Mango. And he's happy now. I forgot to say that at night, Wally and Miles cover Mango with a blanket. They say good night, Mango, and they cover the cage up with a blanket. And the blanket that they use is right there. And in the morning, see, the blanket is kind of like the same color as him. And then in the morning, when the boys wake up, they make their bed up. They take the blanket off of Mango, they fold it up, and they put it back over there. And that's what that's their pets. Because the girls already have pets. They have crab, a fish, guinea pig, and then my rabbit is in there. Thanks for watching us take care of our little Mango, parakeet bird. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.